come to school, you'll notice that there are a few changes actually to the building. You'll first of all notice straight away that we've got a brand new sign right at the front of the building on the gate outside the front of the store. On our sign, it talks about if you have any symptoms of COVID, then nobody can come onto our school site. It also talks about staying a little bit apart from each other. You know that though, because you've already been doing that at home. You know that really you're not allowed to get too close together, and we're going to be doing that in school when you can. You'll also know that we've got a brand new one-way system, and I'm going to show you that in a minute when we go into the site. When your parents come and drop you off at school, we're going to ask them to leave straight away. We'll hand them over to your teachers, and then you can say goodbye to them, and then they can leave you straight away. Your classrooms do look a little bit different. There aren't quite as many tables or desks in your classrooms, and when you do have the tables in the classrooms, there is only one person sitting at every table. On your tables, you will also have a tray, and in your tray you will have your very own zippy bag with your very own resources in them that nobody else will be able to use. They are just for you. When you come to school, we're asking you to bring your water bottle with you, full of water, and we're also asking you to bring your snack, so either your piece of fruit or your chopped up vegetables. When you bring your fruit or vegetables, don't bring them in a Tupperware pot, because you need to take that home again with you. So please bring it in a bag that we can just get rid of at the end of the session, okay? Now, we don't know what the weather's going to be like, but if it's really sunny, then we want you to remember to wear your sun hat, and also don't forget your sun cream. If it's a bit cold and rainy, then you might need to bring a coat. Whatever you bring to school, and it will be only those things that we've talked about, then you will bring those things into the classroom and you will keep them under your desk in your own space, so nobody else will be able to touch them. When you come to school next week, we're not asking you to wear your full school uniform. We're asking you to wear your yellow polo tops and then your navy or your black shorts and your trainers. So you don't need to wear your full uniform. One of the things that you will also notice in the classrooms is that actually it looks a little bit bare. There's not a lot of anything on the tables, and that's because we want to keep them really clear so they're very, very easy to clean. When you're in school, the teachers will be cleaning with sprays the tables all of the time, okay? So just don't be alarmed when they come around cleaning up after you. The other thing that we'll be asking you to do is to wash your hands really, really regularly. Now, we always ask you to do that anyway, but we're going to ask you to do it a little bit more. So we're going to ask you to make sure that before you come to school that you've washed your hands at home. Then when you come into school, we're going to ask you to wash your hands again. And then after every activity that you do, we'll be asking you to wash your hands before you have your snack, after you have your snack, of course after going to the toilet, and then we'll be asking you to do that again before you leave the building in time to go home. In the classrooms, we've also got really big containers of hand sanitizer as well. So when you're in the classroom, you're going to be able to press the hand sanitizer down and clean your hands in between washing your hands as well. We've also got hand sanitizer dispensers on the walls around school. So they're pretty much by every exit point, so that any time somebody comes in the building or goes out of the building, so whether that's teachers or whether that's you guys, we will be asking you to press it and put hand sanitizer on your hands. And that's the best way to make sure that we all are safe.